So you're ready to level up your business, reduce those operational costs, and boost your profitability. But where do you start? How can you make sure your team's time and resources are being used as effectively as possible? Well, that's where operational efficiency comes in. Whether you're in marketing, consulting, or any other service-based business, operational efficiency is what helps you streamline processes, maximize output, and minimize waste. In this video, we'll break down exactly what operational efficiency means, why it matters to every business, and how small changes can lead to huge results. But first, let's clear something up. What's the difference between efficiency and productivity? Efficiency is all about doing things in the best possible way. It's about using the least amount of resources, like time, money, or people, to get the most results. On the other hand, productivity is about output. It's focused on how much you can create or deliver in a given time frame. For example, a productive design agency might churn out 50 designs a week, but an efficient one will use the best processes and tools to deliver the same or better results with less effort and less waste. So, in a nutshell, productivity is about how much you can do, while efficiency is about how well you can do it. At the end of the day, two companies can be equally productive, but the one that's more efficient will likely see higher profit margins. Efficiency delivers better outcomes without burning out your resources. Now let's dive into the goals of operational efficiency. What are we really aiming for when we improve our operations? First up, cutting unnecessary waste. In any business, waste is the time or resources spent on non-productive work. And I'm not just talking about non-billable tasks like client pitches or staff training, which are critical. I'm talking about duplicate tasks, inefficient processes, or poor communication that causes delays. Next, we have streamlining processes. Streamlining isn't just about making things faster, it's about improving quality and employee engagement too. When you remove bottlenecks and smooth out workflows, your team feels more aligned and motivated. They deliver better results, and you strengthen client relationships. Finally, the goal of operational efficiency is to give your business a competitive advantage. Efficient operations mean you're delivering greater value to clients faster and at a lower cost. You're leveraging technology and expertise to get the job done right and quickly, building a foundation for sustainable growth. So, to summarize, the goals are clear. Reduce waste, streamline your processes, and gain a competitive edge. We've covered what operational efficiency is and the goals behind it. Now, let's look at the real benefits of running your business more efficiently. Benefit 1, reduced operational expenses. When you optimize processes, you cut the inefficiencies that drain your budget. That could mean ensuring employees aren't overburdened or idle. In other words, balancing resource availability with demand. Benefit 2, streamlined manual tasks. Automating routine work, like reports or time tracking, frees up valuable hours and keeps you on top of the details without constant follow-ups. Benefit 3, a more satisfied workforce. When people aren't bogged down by tedious tasks, they focus on work they enjoy, boosting engagement and retention. And benefit 4, greater agility and resilience. Efficient companies can react faster to market shifts or internal changes. Real-time data lets you tackle challenges and seize opportunities before competitors do. Now let's talk about how to pinpoint problems in your operations. Before you improve, you need to identify what's holding you back. Start with key questions. Are your time estimates always off? Do specific bottlenecks keep delaying projects? Is miscommunication slowing things down? Next, run a historical and comparative analysis of past projects. Compare performance data with current processes to spot patterns and discrepancies. That's where slowdowns hide. Also review schedule variance. In other words, how long tasks actually take versus the estimate. If deadlines keep slipping, something has to change. Finally, talk to your team. People on the front lines often know exactly where the friction is. Regular feedback sessions reveal issues managers may miss. So, to recap, analyze past performance, track schedule variance, and most importantly, listen to your team. You've seen the benefits and pinpointed the issues. Now here are 8 steps to operational excellence. Step 1, understand business goals. Align every improvement with what you actually want to achieve. Step 2, set realistic objectives. Use SMART goals to keep targets clear and attainable. Step 3, manage KPIs. Track metrics like cycle time, capacity utilization, and cost per unit for real-time insight. Step 4, automate processes. No-code automations eliminate repetitive tasks and speed up workflows. Step 5, optimize human resources. Put the right people in the right roles and invest in ongoing development. Step 6, optimize time tracking. Log both billable and non-billable hours to improve estimates and resource allocation. Step 7, support communication and feedback. Open channels surface issues early and keep teams aligned. Step 8. Use software solutions. A unified platform with reporting, resourcing, and collaboration keeps everything in one place. So, you've got the strategy. But what tool pulls it all together? Meet Productive, the all-in-one solution for agencies and service businesses. With Productive, you can balance workloads, automate time tracking, and forecast key financials like profitability and margins. Also, visualize resource planning, track performance in real time, and automate repetitive tasks, all in one place. Need crystal clear forecasting? Track project budgets, client billing, and profit margins in real time, while AI features keep tasks on schedule. Productive's user-friendly design, responsive support, and scalable features make operational efficiency a reality. Ready to streamline? Start your free trial of Productive today and see the difference. So there you have it. To achieve operational efficiency, you need to focus on cutting waste, streamlining processes, and using the right tools. If you found this video helpful, hit like, tap subscribe, and stay tuned for more ways to level up your operations. Thanks for watching.